In a fun junk journal dream, DJ's crafting grungy scenes. Hither and Yon, where friends all meet. Paper glue and vintage treats.
Hello, my crafty friends and creators from around the globe. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. And if you've been here before, welcome back. And thanks for coming back. I truly mean that. If you're new here, I'm DJ, and I'm in the studio today introducing the free August kit. Every month, we make a little mini book, kit, journal, folio, something out of paper. And this month, we're doing the same thing. August is going to be a mini recipe book, and I'll get into the details. It's not like this big drawn out project. We're going to have a unique way to put this together this month. And so it'll all make sense if you follow along with the YouTube craft along videos, which will go on all throughout the month of August. If you're new here, everything you need to get your free kit is down in the description box. You can click on the title or that little more. It'll open up and all of the details will be there. There's also the pinned comment you can get that will show you how to get the free kit. All right, let's get into it. I'm going to do a recipe book. And I don't know about you guys, but I have like 15 cookbooks, hardcover cookbooks, maybe more, that I've been gifted or have had for years. And I have the entire internet and Pinterest and, all of that stuff. But I always seem to go to the same handful of recipes, my go-to favorites. And the purpose of this kit is to kind of pass along those favorites that we all have, or to kind of start to compile some new favorites. Or if you're new to cooking entirely, your new favorites, your new recipes into this little mini book that doesn't take up a lot of space. So that's what this is all about. We're going to get into it. Let me go through the pages. This video is the intro, and then throughout the month I'll have the make, so you can craft along with the videos if you'd like. But here's what we have. We have 10 double half pages. And so I did them a little different this month. You'll see there's unique pages on each half. And don't worry about covering up the photos because I have a solution for that we're going to do. But yeah, so there's 10 pages with these. You would cut down the middle. I know some people are new. So you cut these down the middle and then we fold them in half. Now my printer does this silliness, so I cut that off. And then I cut it down the center here and fold it in half. And that makes our page. All right. So just so you understand how it works. And it is a mini. So here are the interior pages. And I wanted to do sort of a variety of foodie kind of scenes. So that's what we have here. And there's 10 of these. Oh my goodness, I was hungry making this. I was so hungry, and it didn't matter if I had just eaten because everything just looks so yummy. Yeah, so like outdoor dining, fun romantic dinners, recipes, secrets, barbecue. Lots of fun stuff that we all kind of love about food. And then there are some of these, there's two where these can be filler pages, where you can actually do some writing or build on this. I didn't make the lines even because I wanted this to be more of a visual page than a writing page, but you could write, a quick recipe, for pickles or something like that. So some neutral pages there. And then you get the fussy cuts and some dog hair. No. So again, foodie and related. Everything is printed on my Nina index weight cardstock, which is down in the description box below if you want to get some. It's the paper that I use all the time. So I always print mine on cardstock unless I say so. And then some more with some words that we can use. These recipe cards, which seem really big for a mini journal, but we're going to end up folding them in half. So I gave you some with lines and without lines to actually write down some recipes on. Yes, handwriting with your hands. I know a lot of you are really good with that. You love to write, so I wanted to include some handwriting stuff. Um, and then these are for covers options. You don't have to use them, but I wanted to give some cover options that we can put on the front of our little mini recipe book. And I see these as a good gift that we could give away with some of our favorites inside that you may be wanting to pass on. So that's what I did there. And then there's just some blank pages which we're going to use to kind of put together our cover and some of the interior holding spine stuff of our little mini book. So that's what we have this month. Like I said, everything is down in the description box below. You can go ahead and get yours. And let me know what you think of this month's kit in the comments, and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to have your mini recipe book with me this month. And if you're going to play along, you can always show off your makes in the Facebook group, which is Hither and Yon Create Space, or you can show it off on Instagram and just tag me, and then I'll share it on my story. So I hope you enjoy this month with me, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day or night. Bye!